What if I told you that the secret to living a longer, healthier life isn't found in a pill, a gym membership, or a complicated diet, but in something you already do every day? Walking. Here's a fact. Research shows that walking just 30 minutes a day can extend your life by up to 7 years. That's right, 7 years. GM Trevelyan once said, "I have 2 doctors, my left leg and my right." But how is something so simple, so powerful? Let's dive in. Number 1, why walking is a game changer. Walking isn't just a way to get from point A to point B. It's a full body workout. Here's what happens when you walk every day. First, your heart gets stronger. Regular walking lowers your blood pressure and improves circulation, cutting your risk of heart disease by up to 35%. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing your risk of diabetes. And the benefits don't stop there. Walking strengthens your muscles, protects your joints, and even boosts your immune system. Think of it as a tune-up for your entire body. Number 2, walking and mental health. But walking doesn't just heal your body. It's therapy for your mind. Did you know that walking releases endorphins, your brain's feel-good chemicals? It reduces stress, anxiety, and depression, and it even helps improve your focus and creativity. Next time you feel overwhelmed, take a 15-minute walk. You'll be amazed at how much clearer your mind feels. Number 3, walking can add years to your life. Now here's the big one. Walking could actually add years to your life. People who walk regularly are less likely to develop chronic illnesses like cancer, diabetes, and Alzheimer's. In fact, a study by Harvard Medical School found that walking at a moderate pace can reduce the risk of premature death by 20%. Even Hippocrates, the father of medicine, believed in the power of walking. Centuries later, science proves he was right. Number 4, how to make walking a daily habit. Okay, so now you know why walking is amazing. But how do you make it a daily habit? Here are some simple tips. Start small. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day. Gradually increase your time as you build the habit. Find a walking buddy. Walking with a friend or family member makes it fun and keeps you accountable. Switch it up. Walk in your neighborhood, at a park, or even on a treadmill. Listen to music, a podcast, or just enjoy the sounds of nature. And if you love tracking progress, set a daily step goal, like 5,000 or 10,000 steps. Watching those numbers climb is incredibly motivating. Walking is free, it's easy, and it's one of the best things you can do for your health. So, lace up your shoes, step outside, and take control of your health, one step at a time. Walking every day could make you live longer. Why not start today?